Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Cici Pramita and from the Physics Department Tarbiyah Faculty and Teacher at the Universitas Islam Negeri Sultan Taha Saifuddin Jambi. Here I will read conclusion of the article entitled Student Research on Newton's Law Concept Review from Gender Identification Usage of an Ended Question, with the author 1 Miliani, 2nd Tanti, and 3,000 Surman, and 1 Department of Physics Education, undergraduate student, Universitas Islam Negeri Sultan Taha Saifuddin Jambi. Second entry, Department of Physics Education, Universitas Islam Negeri Sultan Taha Saifuddin Jambi. Student naive ideas are influenced by daily in their environment, and the fact the imperfect impression about student research leading to naive ideas is clearly visible when learning begins. Students do not understand the concept scientifically provides. Gender difference can also affect students' learning motivation and pure knowledge, wherein in the learning process, female students are more dominant than male students. Student naive ideas are formed from their personal experiences, both in the community and in the school environment, which is in the line with spiral research students that show some student activation. Long-term personal experiences affect students' understanding scientifically. Students fueled from the gender inference of students. The research given a score for our student answer wherein the students answer incorrectly correct will be given a score of 5, and if he does not answer the question, he will get a score of 1, according to verified main criteria. The criteria used by researchers in analyzing student learning outcomes regarding Newton's law in this study are given with 5 criteria of being able to answer, 5 criteria of being able to answer all indicators well. Then score 4 of the math, the criteria able to 3 to answer all indicators well. Then get a score of 3 if you are in the criteria of only being able to answer an indicator. Then get a score of 2 with the criterion of not being able to answer an indicators correctly. And finally, with the criterion of not answering the question at all and given a score of 1. Resources that students activated this article will discuss what resources are activated by students in Newton's law. Material talk to questions related to Newton's law. In this section, student as exercise and resources activated by student will be discussed in answering question. Based on the student answer analysis by resources, students have tried to answer that when an object moves, it will cause a force. Students make mistakes in answering question number 1 because they do not activate the knowledge of Newton's first law that they have obtained. Based on the analysis result in number 1, students try to explain in the form of when an object moves, it will cause a force. In question number 2, students try to express it in the form of a direct mass will affect acceleration. In answering question number 1, they have a good understanding, but when faced with problems in the form of phenomena that are often encountered, they fail to summon relevant knowledge. Research on how student resources are in answering questions in physics has been proven, and this is in line with the data found by resources in research where the level of understanding of female student concept is slightly better than male student. Thank you very much for your great attention, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for your listening, and thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.